After 8 years of a Texas case over illegal voting has been overturned this week. So the Texas Second Court of Appeals reversed a Fort Worth mother's conviction, resulting in an acquittal. Crystal Mason, who you see on your screen, gained national attention and faced 5 years in prison in this case. This is the focus of Karen Brooks Harper's latest story in the Texas Tribune. She is joining us this afternoon to give us some insight. So Karen, this dates all the way back to 2016. Can you just tell us about what led to the illegal voting charge against Mason?
Well, it came when Mason, who is from Fort Worth, cast a provisional ballot in the 2016 presidential election, a few months after she had begun supervised release from federal, for federal tax evasion. She was a felon who was serving out supervised release. So she went to vote in 2016. One of the election judges, suggested she cast a provisional ballot because she couldn't find her name on the rolls. She did. She signed the little affidavit with the provisional ballot that says you understand, all the terms of your vote. And she was allowed to turn it in. And then a few months later, when it was determined that she wasn't able to allowed to vote, her vote was not counted, but also she was arrested.
Okay, and now fast forwarded to yesterday. Why did the appeals court decide to overturn her case?
Well, the case hinged on the fact that she basically had signed that affidavit, which in there states that, if you are a convicted felon, you have to have completed your sentence and completed supervised release and everything. And so the appeals courts have been kind of bouncing this back and forth to each other over the last couple of years. But basically what they decided was that, and this was clarified in law a couple of years ago in Texas, was that just signing the affidavit, signing the provisional ballot doesn't prove that you fully understand that your particular situation renders you ineligible to vote. So even though she signed it, she was never told that she couldn't vote by her probation officer. She was advised to cast a provisional vote by the election judges there on site. So the argument was whether her signature was enough to prove that she knowingly was casting an illegal ballot. And that's what the court decided, that it takes more than just signing the affidavit to do that, which is something that was clarified in law, but according to the Court of Appeals now applies to her case too. So they couldn't prove that she knew she couldn't vote and tried to vote anyway. And that's really where it all came down.
Okay, and you've tracked this case for years. So for you, why did it gain statewide and national attention?
I think it hinged on a couple of things. I think the big thing was that her arrest came in the months following the 2016 election, which is when Trump won office. And at the time, there was a very strong Republican-led crackdown on voter fraud, which was fueled by kind of rising claims of rampant illegal voting, which really were largely baseless. There hasn't been evidence that was, the rampant illegal voting has been going on. And this is even before all the election denying of the 2020 election, right? This is when it was still very big, gaining steam movement on the voter thing. And because she is Black, her case was seized upon as an example of political moves to suppress voices of voters of color. So the case kind of catapulted her into this big political fray over voting rights and human rights and race relations, and people really cared a lot about the outcome.
Okay, Karen Brooks Harper from Texas Tribune. As always, it's good to have you. Thanks so much for joining us.